President Uhuru Kenyatta officially flagged off the countrywide distribution of the COVID-19 vaccines at our national vaccine stores in Kitale. Kitengela, I'm sorry. This means once we officially launch the campaign today, the vaccination exercise will commence in all our county referral hospitals since the vaccines have also been moved there. We at the Ministry of Health and the entire government as well are not taking any chances with the lives of our people. It is, however, important to note that the demand for the vaccine globally has necessitated a phased approach in its deployment. That's our reason for being here today. This phase targets our health workers across the country who have worked tirelessly for the past 1 year, some even making the ultimate sacrifice by being our first line of defense and caring for those suffering from COVID-19. It is our responsibility as a government and as a society to ensure that these essential workers get full support and are well protected as they dispense their duties. I therefore wish to urge and encourage all our health workers to get vaccinated. As we launch our vaccination exercise today, you will witness that the Ministry of Health is employing a data management and reporting electronic vaccine registry, the Chanjo Management Information System, which was developed together with our experts from the Ministry of ICT and Youth Affairs. The system will enable the Ministry of Health in vaccine traceability, thus ensuring that our stocks are professionally managed. It will track and manage vaccination schedules. It will help in the reporting and addressing of any adverse effects, and it will finally provide us with the reliable reports that we require for decision making and for policy. This is in keeping with the global standards for vaccination, distribution, administration, and monitoring. Ladies and gentlemen, for the success of this campaign, we urge all the stakeholders, especially our fourth estate, as has been urged by others, that you have the ear of the nation to assist us in disseminating the right, and I repeat, the right information to our citizens. This is a life-saving intervention. This may mark the beginning of the end of the pandemic. It is in our best interest to heed the recommendations that are made by the Ministry of Health and channel our concerns through the right mechanisms. We continue to encourage the adherence of the containment measures, as you have heard from everybody who has had a chance to speak here. We must continue to wash our hands. We must continue to sanitize, wearing our masks and social distance, as these remain our best weapons against the disease. Ladies and gentlemen, let me take this opportunity to sincerely thank our development partners, WHO, UNICEF, AMREF, Red Cross, the Clinton Health Association, and many others who have been integral in the realization of this campaign. I also wish to appreciate the COVID-19 Vaccine Task Force, with members that were drawn from the different multi-stakeholders from the health sector, including the county governments, who have worked tirelessly to make this campaign a success. It is a historic moment for us to stand here at the Kenyatta National Hospital, our largest national referral hospital, and a front runner in the management of COVID-19 for this very important exercise. I therefore want to congratulate and thank all the health workers for all the good work that they have been doing and which they are still tirelessly devoting their all to do, and for the sacrifices that they continue to make to ensure that we are all as safe as we could possibly be. Hongera, hongera sana. With these few remarks, and on behalf of the government and the Ministry of Health, I now wish to officially launch the COVID-19 vaccination campaign. Asanteni sana. Mungu awabariki. Haya, wenzetu ambao mmejumuika nasi siku ya leo, tungependa